Imagine a Thanksgiving where every bite is a burst of flavor, where tradition meets innovation, and every guest leaves the table satisfied. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how to create a memorable Thanksgiving feast. Thanksgiving is more than just turkey. It's about the symphony of flavors that come together to create a harmonious meal. Start your feast with a well-curated cheese and charcuterie board, featuring sharp cheddar, brie, and blue cheese alongside prosciutto and salami. Add crackers, olives, and dried fruits to your board for a touch of sweetness and balance. Elevate classic deviled eggs with smoked paprika, bacon, or truffle oil for a creamy, tangy appetizer. Serve butternut squash soup shooters with hints of cinnamon and nutmeg for a warm, festive start. The heart of Thanksgiving lies in its side dishes, each bringing unique textures and flavors to the table. Stuffing, made with sausage, apples, or nuts, adds richness and texture, perfectly complementing the turkey. Creamy mashed potatoes, enhanced with roasted garlic or cream cheese, soak up gravy beautifully. Sweet potato casserole, topped with toasted marshmallows or pecan crumble, offers a delightful contrast in texture. Roasted Brussels sprouts with crispy bacon and a balsamic glaze add a savory, slightly bitter note to the meal. Cranberry sauce, whether homemade or traditional, provides a necessary pop of tartness to balance the richness of other dishes. No Thanksgiving meal is complete without desserts that blend sweetness and spice. Pumpkin pie, with its creamy filling spiced with cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, is a classic favorite. For a richer, sweeter option, pecan pie offers a buttery, caramel-like filling with crunchy pecans. Apple crisp, with spiced baked apples and a crunchy oat streusel, provides a lighter yet indulgent dessert option. Can't decide on just one dessert? Bring all three for a variety that satisfies every sweet tooth. Thanksgiving is about more than just the turkey. It's an opportunity to create a memorable meal that brings loved ones together. Enjoy the process and savor every moment.